if the median of the distribution is given below is 28.5, then find the value of x and y. Here a class interval 0 to 10 and the frequency 5, 10 to 20 the frequency is 6, 20 to 30 the frequency is 20, 30 to 40 the frequency is 15, and 40 to 50 the frequency is 5, and 50 to 60 the frequency is 5, and the total is given as 60. 60 is the total number of frequencies, that is n is equal to 60. Here given median is equal to 28.5. Hence 28.5 means it lies here. That means the median class is equal to 20 to 30. We know the formula median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Here L is the lower limit, that is equal to 20. N is 60, we already know n is equal to 60. Here L is equal to 20, n is equal to 60, and the cumulative frequency CF is equal to 5 plus x. F is equal to 20. That's the frequency of the media class. F is equal to 20, and H is equal to 10 minus 0. That's equal to 10. So substitute these values. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. L is 20 plus n by 2 is 30 minus CF. CF is 5 plus x. Whole divided by F is 20 into H is 10. This is given as 28.5. That's equal to 20 plus 30 minus 5 minus x divided by 2 is equal to 28.5. That implies 30 minus 5 minus x divided by 2 is equal to, moving this here, 28.5 minus 20, that's equal to 8.5. 30 minus 5, 25. 25 minus x is equal to 8.5 into 2, that's equal to 17. Hence x is equal to 25 minus 17, that's equal to 8. So we'll get the value of x. Now we need to find the value of y. For that, we know that for sigma Fi is equal to 45 plus x plus y. That's equal to the total number of frequency, that's equal to 60. So substitute the value of x here. 45 plus 8 plus y is equal to 60. 53 plus y is equal to 60. Therefore, y is equal to 60 minus 53, that's equal to 7. Hence, the values of x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 7. That's all in this video. Thank you. Stay tuned.
Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Like and share if you found this helpful. Your support helps us grow and reach more students. Leave a comment below with your math questions. Check out our video suggestions on the right. Together, let's conquer CBSE Maths.